Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add social media icon to Google site. The first thing you need to do is go onto your Google Sites. Once you have done that, you're going to go over to the right hand menu option and you're going to scroll down until you see social links. You're going to tap on that. After selecting social links, you are going to go into your social media platform. So for example, let's say I would like to add my Facebook link. I'll simply go onto Facebook, then tap on Home in the left hand corner. After selecting Home, I'm going to copy the URL. So I would simply copy the URL right here. After copying the URL, I'll go back onto Google Sites. Then I would paste the link right here. Now you have two options. You can either tap on the plus right beside it and you could upload as the social media icon. So you could download the social media icon on Google and then you'll upload the picture right here. Or you could tap on insert and it will automatically add the icon right here. But if you do not like this icon, you can simply download a new one and add it. And you can also change the shape of the icon by simply tapping where you see small on my screen. So let's say I would want it to be medium, I could change it to that. And if you want to change it from circle to square, you can do that also. You can also change the color right where you see gray. I could change it to colored, as you can see right there. And by the way, you can move the social media icons to wherever you want it on your Google Sites. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.